In scalp, we have 5 layers. Outermost layer is skin. So we have taken S for skin. Second layer is connective tissue. So we have taken C from the connective tissue. Third layer is aponeurosis. It is little hard tissue. Then loose connective tissue, then bones or periosteum. So in our skull, we have 5 layers. Outermost layer is skin, then tissue, then hard tissue, then bone. So we have taken first letter, skin, connective tissue, aponeurosis, loose tissue, periosteum, and this is skull. So skull name itself showing the 5 layers, outermost layer of the skull. Now, after that, we are coming directly to our Dr. Jiao scalp acupuncture topic. So, in Dr. Jiao scalp acupuncture, we have to discuss these 17 points. With the help of these 17 points, we can understand the whole acupuncture system given by Dr. Jiao. Dr. Jiao is basically from China, and he is very famous, very well-known acupuncture doctor, acupuncture scientist who has given this system in the 1917th decades. So this is during the 1917, Dr. Sunfa Jiao, he is basically from China, has developed this acupuncture system. The name of this acupuncture system is Dr. Jiao Scalp Acupuncture System. And this is the 17 topics which we have to discuss. So now we are proceeding step by step. So at first, Dr. Jiao has told, if we measure, so I will take the help of this image, this is a good image. Dr. Jiao has told, if we measure from glabella, so this is the glabella. Glabella means third eye or the place between two eyebrows. So as per Dr. Jiao, if we measure from here, then going and following this route and coming till the back side of the head, till the location of DU17 here. Here we find one elevated part over the back of the head. This elevated part, how to find out this elevated part? We know where our hairline is ending on the back side. So wherever, like suppose, this is the ending of hairline. This is the ending of hairline. If we measure from here, if we keep our forefinger here and measure till here. So this is forefinger up from the posterior hairline. So this point, DU17, is forefinger up from this posterior hairline. So first go and see your posterior hairline where it is ending, the end point of the hair. Keep your forefinger there. Then under the fourth one finger, upper one finger, you will find one elevated part on the back of the head. So this is the location of D17. You will find here one nodule, one protrusion. The name of this protrusion is EOP. EOP. External occipital protuberance. We can look at here. See, this is the protuberance. So we are looking from the back of the head, and we will find this protrusion here, near about here. So this point is near about little up from the posterior hairline. How much up? Forefinger up. So if you keep forefinger from the posterior hairline, this point will be under the fourth finger. So the name of this point is EOP, or external occipital protuberance. So this is the external occipital protuberance. So this is the external occipital protuberance. So now I'm coming back to this image. So if we measure the line between glabella or midpoint of the eyebrows, start measuring from here. Now go to the back side and come till the EOP. So this is the total distance is ideally 33 centimeter. So this has been explained, ideally 33 centimeter. So we are telling 33 centimeter length, 33 centimeter length between third eye, between glabella. Glabella means third eye. Glabella, or we are also telling it third eye. Till EOP. Till EOP. This is the total length of this line. So we are telling, we have given the name of this line is anterior posterior midline. So the name of this line is anterior posterior midline. So now our question is this: what is anterior posterior midline? Answer is this: this line starts from the midpoint of the eyebrow or glabella and go till the EOP. And the total length is 33 centimeter ideally. It may vary little bit person to person. So now, if it is 33 centimeter, now we are doing just half of this line. So we are just doing half of it. If you are doing just half of it, so what will be the half of it? Just tell me. The half of it will be, so this is 33 centimeter. Now I'm dividing 33 centimeter by 2. Now half of it will be 16.5 centimeter. So what we are doing, we can take one thread, and keeping this thread over third eye and bringing this thread till the EOP on the back side. It may be 33 centimeter, 32 centimeter, whatever it is. Now doing just half of thread means just doing doubling of thread. Again starting measuring from the third eye. So it will come till here. which is the exactly midpoint. Suppose this will be the midpoint. Suppose this is the midpoint. And if this total line from third eye to EOP is 33 centimeter, so this will be 16.5 centimeter midpoint. So this is the midpoint. It will be 16.5 centimeter. Now we reach near about the top of the head. So now we come here. Now next we will do something from here. How? Now look at here. From this midpoint, now this midpoint is our landmark. We are not using this point for any other purpose. This midpoint will be only our landmark. So I am now from this midpoint, if I am going only 0.5 centimeter back, only and only 0.5 centimeter back. So suppose this is the midpoint. Yeah. And from the midpoint, I am going this 0.5 centimeter back. So this is the midpoint, which has been explained, which has been shown here with the blue color. And from this, I am using this midpoint only as a landmark. Now, another point which I am keeping red, just on the back side of the midpoint. So now what we are doing, from the midpoint, if I am going 0.5 centimeter back. So now I am starting from the midpoint. If I am going 0.5 centimeter back, that will be my first point. So I am showing with the red color, 0.5 centimeter back. So that point will be my first point. The name of this point is motor point. So this will be the motor point, which I am showing with the red color. What is the meaning of motor point? The meaning of motor point is this: if anyone is suffering any problem related with the motor nerve, so like after paralysis, post paralysis, unable to lift the arm, unable to lift the legs, any motor problems, means any motor of the body, like we have multiple motors installed in our body. How does a motor